guys, it's Kelly, the embroidery nurse. So I had all intentions of this being a Friday freebie, but seeing as it's Tuesday, I'm a little behind, we're going to make this a Tuesday treat. I don't know why it's got to be cutesy, but it is. So our Friday freebie Tuesday treat is, again, 2 items. I can't believe I'm able to offer 2 items again, but I'm stoked about it. So St. Patrick's Day is coming up. I like to do holiday themey things, especially for our Friday freebies. So if you haven't gotten all your St. Patrick's Day designs stitched out, or your neighbor, grandchild, or daughter is in need of a cute design, or you just want to save it for next year, look at this, you guys. Look at this amazing design. So Alphalicious, Joy at Alphalicious has offered this design again as a freebie, and it is amazing. So I'll give you the details below. You literally just click on the link that I gave you, put in the code, which is EMB Nurse Freebie. It's this right here. It's this right here. So it's basically like Embroidery Nurse Freebie, but we shortened it. So it's EMB Nurse Freebie. So awesome. Let me show you where to find it online. It is so cute. Okay, so I'm going to actually click the link that I have below, just like you will. Click. Okay, guys, so here is the design, the Rainbow Shamrock Scribble. So it is going to be free, so don't even look at that price tag right there. The link that I have below will take you straight to this spot, all the way to it, right? You don't have to search or go through the whole website. It will take you straight to this design that is yours free. Yay! Thank you so much, Alphalicious. So this one's so cute. And it's funny, I made this design first and used colors very similar to the picture, because sometimes I can't think outside of the box when I see a finished product. But I had someone contact me and they said, I would love this for my son. So I was like, oh, why didn't I think of that? And so today I'm going to actually be stitching one that has more primary colors. That's for a boy. So you guys grab this. This is super fun, super quick stitch out. You can pick the colors. You don't even have to do rainbow if you don't want. This could be scribble in all green. I mean, really, it's completely up to you. That's what's so fun about. But it will have stops at each of the different colors that you see there. So what you're going to do is you're going to add this to your cart. And then you can look at your cart down here, open that up, and it's going to bring you over here. So you can actually enter your promo code right here. Oh, it's saved because I've done it before, but it's EMB Nurse Freebie. So it's like Embroidery Nurse Freebie, but it's shortened. So EMB Nurse Freebie. We're going to put it there. We're going to submit it, go through, check out just as if you were buying something, but it will be free and you'll be ready to stitch. So I'm going to go stitch now. Let's do this. Super fun. Thanks again, Alphalicious, for this awesome Friday freebie, or today it's a Tuesday treat. Ha! All right. Okay, I hope that was easy for you to understand. You literally just put it in your cart using the link I have below and then put in the promo code and it will zero out your balance. You download it, print it out if you're like me, because I print out all my designs, and then stitch. Let's watch this cuteness stitch away. Okay, so it's the final product. So I told you that I have done this with the girl colors. I'm going to show you some of those here. Isn't it so cute? And then this was a request by a customer for their son. So I did more of the you know, kind of primary colors like red and blues and greens and oranges. So didn't it turn out amazing? I love it. I love cute stitch outs like that. There is no applique, there is no cutting, there is no heat and bond needed. It is literally just your shirt and nice thread. I use Floriani. So thank you, Alphalicious. This is so awesome. I hope you will check out all the rest of her designs. She just has the cutest stuff, and I have loved everything that I've stitched out from Alphalicious from the start of my embroidery time. Okay, so I said there was 2 Friday Freebie Tuesday treats. The second is, you guys, Creative Fabrica again has come to me with a March crafting month. And I think that's awesome, and it's a good way to show you what all Creative Fabrica has to offer. It is not just simple files, it's crafts, it is patterns, it is just, you name it, you gotta go check it out. And so they're offering, again this month, a free access pass, and you can use the link below to access that and get 10 free downloads with that. So it is awesome. I think you will in turn decide that it has so much to offer, you want to join yourself. So here's a little bit about the free crafting, or the March crafting month. I mean, we should craft every day in March, don't you think? I mean, how many days are we? We're in 7 days now. I've probably been crafting most of those 7 days if you talk about embroidery. But, so here's what you'll get. I need my glasses. Oh, there they are. So in partnership, they are giving you access to over 6 million fonts and graphics. You can download the first 10 fonts and designs for free. And those will be yours to keep, right? You sign up for free, download your first 10 items, and then after the 10th download, or after a month, you can renew your subscription. So guys, try it out, at least get the 10, see if it's something you love. It is something I use, like I said, not just with embroidery, but with a lot of other different things that I'm working on. So here's 10 reasons why you should join. Number 1, access to all the designs you can think of. I mean, what? So over 6 million directly usable design resources. 6 million, you say? That's a lot. Number 2, new high quality resources are added daily. And I can attest to this. When I first learned of Creative Fabrica, the number of like embroidery files, you could even look in the first video where I even talked about Creative Fabrica, and I mentioned how many embroidery files they have. You guys, the number has exploded. They literally are resourcing and looking for and finding new designers that want to list on Creative Fabrica, and embroidery alone, like, pew, that was a firework. Pew, pew. Oh, dropping my paper. The third reason why you should join, we've got you all covered. They offer a commercial license, which means you buy from them or you download from them. You have the license to use that in designs that you sell. You got it, you guys. And that's important when we're doing this for business, right? That we have the license to sell the things that we're making. So that's a big deal. That's great. Okay, number 4. You get the exact graphic you're looking for, just how you envisioned it. Now, what is that, you ask? You can actually request personal designs. I think that is amazing. So you can stop the endless search when you're trying to find something, and you can request these designs for a designer to actually make and create for you. What? That's cool. Okay, the 5th reason why you should join. You can create your own magical designs in an instant using CF Spark. So here's a little more information about that. With CF Spark tools, you can create anything imaginable by simply describing it. Using AI technology, a new, unique content is created. What? I don't know about all this AI stuff. I'm not really that, versed in it. But this sounds pretty amazing that you can create new designs. These are new designs that you could put on merchandise, sell in your shop. I mean, that's pretty cool. Okay, the 6th reason, you can hone your skills by following inspiring classes. You guys, I've actually taught a few classes within the Creative Fabrica website. So, things simply as how, what stabilizer to use, how to start in machine embroidery. There's just a wealth of classes for all kinds of crafts that you might be interested in. Number 7, you get astonishing discounts from great providers of craft supplies. So you can click on different things that they have resourced and different vendors that they're working with, and you will actually get discounts on those things. So that's included with your membership. What? Okay, number 8, your online font manager. You can view all fonts in one simple overview and determine what would be best for your project. That is pretty awesome because fonts, let me tell you, there's a few of them out there, aren't there? Like, kind of overwhelming. So that's awesome they have one spot for them. Okay, number 9, you can create unique word cloud art with ease. So again, not something that I've jumped into yet, but you can actually create your own creative and unique word clouds. Upload your own fonts, get creative, upload every shape you like, blah, 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 blah. And you have unlimited designs that you'll have for all access subscribers. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, number 10. Number 10 is simply that there is just so much more that I couldn't possibly describe it all to you in one video. So you get support, you get a social community of thousands of crafters to engage and interact with. You can connect with your favorite designers. Oh wait, I'm not a designer. I'm an educator. I don't know what I am. I don't design. You can get inspiration for your photos and so much more. So you guys, there, you got it. So the link is below to join the all access free 10 downloads from Creative Fabrica if you have yet to check that out. I would love for you to check the link below, click on it and check everything out. And then again, a humongous thank you to Alphalicious Designs for this amazing file you guys get free today. A scribble shamrock. Boo, 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 boo. Thank y'all. Thank you so much for this Friday freebie Tuesday treat. I've been working on so many things. I know I've kind of been in a MIA. Mainly it's because I've been doing so many pre-orders and I've gotten so much inventory in. I'm shipping so many pre-orders out. It has consumed me, plus kind of keeping up with my Etsy shop and trying to work on my website so that I can offer better things for everyone moving forward. So that's where I've been at. You know, if you were like me and I was really missing Hoda for the, you know, days that she was missing from the Today Show and had all these thoughts of oh, what's going on, and you know, I'm sure I'm just like Hoda in your world and you wondered where I've been. Anyway, you guys have an amazing day. Happy Friday freebie Tuesday treat.